What are the symptoms of COVID? Just name one sign which is specific of COVID. Just one. You cannot. But I will tell, there is one. No signs is a sign of a disease called COVID. This is complete rubbish. This is what we call dhul fake, fog. They have firstly induced fear, then you don't think anything, you don't think rationally, then whatever is broadcasted, you accept it without any questioning. There is no new symptom. For last hundreds of years, physicians are treating coughing, fever, shivering, indigestion, loss of smell, loss of taste, constipation, diarrhea. Tell me one symptom which is specific to COVID. It is not a new disease. What they have done is, they have taken influenza symptoms, they have taken different type of diseases, they have clubbed it together and gave it a new name. It is a group of disease. Okay? So, any symptom can be a COVID symptom. That is how they are saying. A patient can have breathlessness, patient can have sore throat, maybe he will not, maybe he will have fever, maybe he will not, maybe he will have diarrhea, maybe he will not, maybe he will have stomachache, maybe he will not, maybe he will have illness, maybe he will not have illness also. All these come under this COVID-19. They have included the healthy persons also inside the disease, in the symptom. So, now the question is, what is the symptom of a healthy person? How can I ascertain that I am not now, I am out of COVID? Because they say that reinfection is also possible. They say that a different variant can also attack, and there will be a COVID part 2, part 3, part 4. They have created a prison from out of which you will never come out. So, does nature works illogically in such a way? There is always you can give some reasoning or some logic is there. I haven't seen an apple falling in the sky. It always falls on the earth. How? If it has a escape velocity, then it may go up.